My name is Duncan Ashworth, and I'm going to demonstrate the beacon box created during June and July of 2009. First of all, this is the beacon box. This is the on switch in the back. So you flip it to a 1, that turns it on. The next step is you press this momentary contact switch, and then you get a green light at the top. It shows that the beacon box is on, and it starts flashing a green light at the top. So the next thing to show is that you adjust the intensity of the front beacon so that you get light out and the robot can detect it. So it has a lens on it, so it's much more directional than before. So it's a very directional signal that comes out of here. So you can see, and it's pointed directly at the lens. At the camera, it's a very bright light. Just has to be off a little bit, and you don't pick up a signal. So it's a very nice directional beam. So that's the front beacon. There's a zone LED in the middle, and this one's used for keeping the robot from knocking over the beacon box when it's set up on the floor. The next beacon is over here, and that's the side beacon with its lens, and so you can adjust the intensity here as well. You can see when it's pointed right at the camera, it's a nice intense beam. So you can adjust the beam, turn it down, make it less intense. That's it. Okay, the next point is that there's a level on the top for helping to set up the tripod. So the height of the robot's beacon box can be adjusted by extending these just about as far as you need it. So that's how you set the height of the beacon box. And then so what you want to do first of all is, after you get a reasonable intensity coming out of the beacon, you put the robot near the beacon box and then adjust the height so that the middle of the lens is equal to the infrared sensor, equal to the height of the infrared sensor on the robot. And then so now you've adjusted the height. So the next thing you do is put the robot at the farthest distance that you want to, where you want to detect the beam, and then you adjust using this adjustment here. You adjust the pan and tilt to get the beam lined up with the robot at the far end of the beam, and then you can lock it in by screwing it down tightly here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks.